The car key is locked in the car and the door cannot be opened. What should I do? Many people say, I will find a wrench to smash the car glass. Smash the smallest glass. Wrong, the smallest glass in the whole car is the most expensive. If you smash it, it will cost several thousand that it can't be repaired at all. Then some friend says we'll make hole in the door frame. I tell you, if you do it, not only the door cannot be opened, but you have to paint it after. It is not worth it. Then someone else said that if it doesn't work, find a locksmith company. I tell you that the locksmith company will use my method. Today, I will teach you a trick to open the car door directly without spending a penny. Convenient friends. Wait, if you haven't subscribed, please, before you forget. Share and like to help others know this. I wish you good luck and prosperity. Drive a Mercedes this year, and this can be done in most cars, even Bentley. If it is really inconvenient, I will also express my gratitude. I am a person who always speaks, it's quite simple. So let's get started right away. Don't use this method on other people's cars. Remember, this can only be used on your own car. Otherwise, it's very dangerous, really dangerous. First, go and grab a screwdriver. After we go to get wire from the clothesline or neighbor, we first use the screwdriver to put it in. See if it's a little deeper. Friends who have the conditions should put a sponge on it to prevent the paint from being scraped off. After putting it in, lift up the car door. At this time, the wire is used. Put the wire in along this edge. After the wire is inserted, we walk along the edge of the door and hook the hook on the safety lock. Pull it gently and you will see that the car door is opened. How about it? Have you learned it? Follow this channel as we often make DIY videos regularly.